So the Friday night before Mother's Day, I'm on Facebook about 5 o'clock at night, and I stumbled upon a post on the Saco Mom and Dad's Facebook page where someone took a bunch of pictures of some trash nearby the dealership and nearby where I live now, and I kind of took it personally. I saw a bunch of junk, and clearly some not so nice people were putting it there. And being a new citizen of Saco, I said, well, what the heck, why don't we go pick that up? You know, and I brought it up to a couple of coworkers and instantly had some people on board to help and join. I made it aware on Facebook and asked for some more help. And by that night, I had over a dozen volunteers from the community members, from Patriot Subaru. I had a local business in Biddeford offer to, on extremely short notice because they were closed on Friday, but I got in touch with them, offer to dump off a roll-off dumpster at a reduced price, which was nice. That's Be At Your Disposal from Biddeford. Nice folks. His name's Brian. Sunday morning, Mother's Day. You know, we're not visiting our mothers, so we certainly had some time in our hands, and we were down there, and in a couple hours we had the majority of it cleaned up. It felt good. You know, I mean, we were pulling up 3 times more trash than we thought we were going to have. It was kind of gross, but you know, we needed to do it, and we got it done. We picked up about 90% of it. There was about 10% left of furniture and things that we just didn't have enough room for. So we contacted the city of Saco, and their public works director sent down a dumpster, which they've already cleaned up all the stuff down there, and it was nice of them. They did that at no charge, and we're hoping maybe in the future, if we can find some more spots, that they'd be willing to do that again. And we'll use our labor and their dumpsters, and maybe see if we can clean up a few more spots.